Have you ever wondered how people make money with something you can't see, touch, or hold, yet it's worth thousands of dollars? That's the magic of cryptocurrency. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it's shaping the future of money, all explained in the easiest way possible. Welcome to the Crypto Loop, where we break down the complex world of crypto into simple, clear, and exciting insights. If you've ever felt confused by terms like blockchain, Bitcoin, or digital wallets, this video will finally make it all click. So, grab your coffee and let's dive straight into it. Imagine this: you're sending money to a friend overseas. Normally, your bank would process it, charge a fee, and it might take a few days. Now, picture sending that same money instantly, without a bank, without high fees, and with complete security. That's what cryptocurrency allows you to do. It's digital money designed for the internet age. At its core, cryptocurrency is simply a digital form of currency that runs on a technology called blockchain. Unlike the dollars or euros you use every day, crypto isn't controlled by banks or governments. It's decentralized, meaning the power is in the hands of its users, not a central authority. Now, let's make that easier to understand. Think of the blockchain as a massive public notebook that everyone can see, but no one can erase or change every time someone sends or receives crypto. That transaction is written in this digital notebook permanently and transparently. It's verified by thousands of computers around the world, not a single bank. This makes it nearly impossible to cheat the system or fake a transaction. Let's use an example. Suppose I send you 1 Bitcoin. That transaction gets recorded in the blockchain. Thousands of computers, called miners or validators, check the transaction to make sure I actually own that Bitcoin and haven't sent it to someone else at the same time. Once verified, it's added to the blockchain forever. Everyone can see that transaction, but no one can alter it. That's what makes crypto secure and trustworthy. It's based on math and code, not human error or manipulation. Now, here's the part that makes cryptocurrency revolutionary. You control your money directly. You don't need permission from a bank to send it. You don't wait for business hours. And you don't pay huge transfer fees. It's peer-to-peer, meaning from one person to another, instantly, anywhere in the world. But where does this digital money come from? That's where mining and minting come in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. New coins are created through mining, a process where computers solve complex math problems to validate transactions. The first computer to solve the problem gets rewarded with new Bitcoin. This keeps the network secure and ensures that only valid transactions are added to the blockchain. Other cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum or Cardano, use a different system called proof of stake, where users lock up some of their coins to help verify transactions and earn rewards. It's faster, more energy efficient, and one of the reasons new coins are emerging beyond Bitcoin. So now you might ask, if crypto isn't physical and isn't backed by banks, what gives it value? Great question. Just like gold or art, crypto has value because people believe in it, use it, and agree it's worth something. It's supply and demand. The fewer coins available and the more people want them, the higher the price goes. Bitcoin, for example, is limited to 21 million coins. Once all are mined, that's it, no more can be created. This scarcity makes it valuable, similar to how gold is rare. On top of that, people use Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to make payments, trade, and even store wealth, which adds to their utility and demand. Let's talk about some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the first and most famous. Often called digital gold, it's known for being a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Ethereum takes it further. It's not just digital money. It's a platform that allows developers to build decentralized apps, NFTs, and smart contracts. Think of it as the backbone of the Web3 revolution. Then you have stablecoins like USDT or USDC, which are tied to the US dollar, offering the stability of traditional money with the flexibility of crypto. Now that you know what crypto is and how it works, let's look at why it matters. Cryptocurrency gives financial freedom to millions of people worldwide, especially those in countries where banks are unstable or government control is heavy. With just a smartphone and internet connection, anyone can access crypto, trade it, or store their wealth safely without relying on a third party. And it's not just about sending money. Crypto opens doors to new financial opportunities, earning through staking, yield farming, or even creating and selling NFTs. Big companies are also stepping in. PayPal, Tesla, and even Visa are integrating crypto payments. That shows this isn't just a trend, it is a transformation of how the world handles money. Of course, no explanation is complete without mentioning the risks. The crypto market can be volatile, prices can skyrocket one day and crash the next. There are also scams, fake projects, and bad actors. That's why education is everything. Always do your own research before investing, and never risk money you can't afford to lose. But here's the exciting part, we're still early. Just like the early days of the internet, most people still don't fully understand crypto. As adoption grows, as governments develop clearer regulations, and as technology improves, the crypto world will likely become as normal as using a credit card today. So, to wrap it up simply, cryptocurrency is digital money built for the digital world. It's decentralized, transparent, and borderless. It gives people more control over their finances, opens doors to innovation, and challenges the traditional banking system. Whether you want to invest, trade, or just understand the future of money, learning about crypto today gives you a massive advantage tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the Crypto Loop for more easy explanations and weekly insights into the world of crypto and blockchain. Remember, the goal here isn't just to chase profits, but to understand the technology shaping our financial future. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay in the loop, the Crypto Loop.